it's Gina with WTI, and I was looking for a unique one-piece, long-sleeve swimsuit that I could wear just for lounging around. This one from NESY has been perfect for that. I really love the design of this swimsuit. I feel super comfortable and confident in it. I got the size medium. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds, and I have a pear-shaped body type, so I really like the fit of this swimsuit. This is slightly cheeky, but not so much that I feel uncomfortable in it. And I love the netting detail on it, especially the one around the midsection, because it helps to accentuate my waist and gives it a little bit of a two-piece look without it actually being two pieces. This has a shelf bra with removable pads and gives you soft support. A total added bonus is, of course, that it has UV block material, so I love that I don't have to worry about putting as much sunblock lotion on. NESY has lots of other colors to choose from, so you're sure to find the perfect one for you and your personality, and that's my point of view.